As we age, our bodies go through many changes. One of the common problems people over 60 face is dry eyes. This condition can make your eyes feel scratchy, tired, or even painful. It can also affect your vision, making it hard to read, drive, or watch television comfortably. Fortunately, nature offers some great solutions to help with this issue. In this article, we'll explore 6 powerful foods that can naturally boost eye moisture and support healthy vision. Chapter 1: Understanding Dry Eyes. Dry eyes happen when your eyes don't make enough tears, or when the tears evaporate too quickly. Tears are important because they keep your eyes moist, clean, and comfortable. When tear production slows down, your eyes can become irritated, red, and even blurry. This condition is more common in older adults because tear production tends to decrease with age. Dry eyes can also be caused by certain medications, medical conditions like diabetes or arthritis, and environmental factors such as dry air or wind. Even staring at screen for long periods can reduce how often you blink, which leads to dryness. Chapter 2: Why Nutrition Matters for Eye Health. What you eat plays a big role in keeping your eyes healthy. Just like the rest of your body, your eyes need proper nutrients to function well. Certain foods are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats that support tear production, reduce inflammation, and keep your eyes well lubricated. Including these foods in your diet regularly can help manage or even prevent dry eye symptoms. Let's take a closer look at the 6 best foods for restoring eye moisture naturally. Chapter 3: Food number 1: Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help your body produce better quality tears and reduce eye inflammation. Omega-3s can also help prevent tear evaporation, one of the main causes of dry eyes. Adding fatty fish to your meals 2 to 3 times a week can make a big difference. You can bake, grill, or steam the fish and pair it with vegetables for a healthy, eye-friendly meal. Chapter 4: Food number 2: Chia seeds and flax seeds. Chia seeds and flax seeds are plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. They are especially helpful for people who don't eat fish. These seeds can support tear production and reduce dryness. You can sprinkle them on yogurt, mix them into smoothies, or add them to oatmeal. Just a tablespoon a day can provide a good dose of omega-3s. Chapter 5: Food number 3: Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are full of vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients help protect your eyes from damage, support overall eye function, and maintain healthy tear glands. Try to include at least 1 serving of leafy greens each day. You can enjoy them in salads, stir-fries, soups, or even smoothies. Chapter 6: Food number 4: Eggs. Eggs are another great food for eye health. They contain vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which all help to keep your eyes moist and protect them from dryness. The yolk is especially rich in these nutrients. Boiled, scrambled, or poached eggs are easy to prepare and include in your diet. 1 egg a day can offer a healthy boost for your eyes. Chapter 7: Food number 5: Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds are rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects the eye from damage and supports tear production. Eating a small handful of these nuts or seeds as a snack, or adding them to salads and cereals, can help improve your eye moisture levels. Chapter 8: Food number 6: carrots and sweet potatoes. Carrots and sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for good vision and helps your eyes stay moist. These colorful vegetables are easy to roast, steam, or include in soups and stews. They make a tasty and eye-friendly addition to your meals. Chapter 9. Other helpful tips for dry eyes. Besides eating the right foods, there are other simple things you can do to help with dry eyes. Staying well hydrated is key, so make sure you drink enough water every day. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses. Try to blink more often, especially when using a computer or watching TV. Using a humidifier in your home can also add moisture to the air and help your eyes stay comfortable. Wearing sunglasses when outdoors protects your eyes from wind and sun, which can make dryness worse. Also, give your eyes regular breaks from screens to avoid strain and dryness. Chapter 10. When to see a doctor. If dry eye symptoms persist or worsen despite healthy habits, it's important to see an eye doctor. You might need special eye drops, treatments, or other medical help. Regular eye exams can catch problems early and help keep your eyes in good shape as you age. Chapter 11. Building a dry eye-friendly diet. Creating a diet that supports eye health doesn't have to be hard. Start by planning meals that include at least 1 or 2 of the foods mentioned in each meal. Try to keep meals colorful and balanced, with a mix of vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats. Here are some simple meal ideas. Breakfast: oatmeal with chia seeds and berries, plus a boiled egg. Lunch: spinach salad with tuna, sunflower seeds, and olive oil dressing. Snack: a handful of almonds or walnuts. Dinner: grilled salmon with sweet potato and steamed kale. Chapter 12. Staying consistent for long-term results. Eating these moisture-boosting foods once or twice won't bring quick results. Consistency is key. By including these foods in your regular diet, you can gradually improve your eye health and reduce dry eye symptoms over time. It's helpful to keep track of what you eat and how your eyes feel. A food journal can help you notice which foods make the biggest difference for your comfort and vision. Chapter 13. Final thoughts. Dry eyes are a common problem after 60, but they don't have to be a lifelong burden. Nature provides many helpful foods that can support tear production, reduce inflammation, and restore eye moisture. By making small but consistent changes to your diet, you can give your eyes the support they need to stay healthy and comfortable. Include fatty fish, leafy greens, eggs, nuts, seeds, and orange vegetables in your meals. Drink plenty of water, and protect your eyes from dryness. With a little effort in the right foods, you can improve your eye health naturally and enjoy clear, comfortable vision well into your golden years. Chapter 14. The science behind eye nutrition. Scientific studies have shown that certain nutrients directly impact eye health. Omega-3 fatty acids, for instance, are known to lower inflammation in the eye and improve tear quality. Research has demonstrated that people with diets rich in omega-3s report fewer symptoms of dry eye disease. Similarly, lutein and zeaxanthin, found in leafy greens and eggs, have been shown to improve eye tissue health and filter harmful blue light, which contributes to eye strain and dryness. Vitamin A, often found in carrots and sweet potatoes, is essential for maintaining the surface of the eye. Without enough vitamin A, the eye cannot produce sufficient moisture, leading to dryness and discomfort. Antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E are also important as they help repair damaged eye cells and support overall eye function. Understanding the science behind these nutrients helps reinforce the importance of maintaining a balanced and varied diet as a long-term strategy for eye health. Chapter 15: Incorporating eye healthy habits into daily life. In addition to eating the right foods, creating daily habits that support eye moisture is equally important. Start each day with a glass of water to hydrate your body. Follow it with a breakfast rich in healthy fats and proteins, like eggs with avocado or oatmeal with flax seeds. When working on a computer or reading, follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This helps relax your eye muscles and encourages blinking. Blinking keeps your eyes moist and reduces the risk of dryness. Try to spend some time outdoors in natural light, but wear sunglasses to protect your eyes from wind and UV rays. At home, consider using humidifier during dry seasons, especially in winter when indoor heating can dry out the air. Chapter 16: Understanding medications and their effects on eyes. Some medications commonly used by people over 60 can cause or worsen dry eyes. These include antihistamines, beta blockers, antidepressants, and diuretics. If you're taking these medications and notice dry eyes, speak to your doctor. They might suggest alternatives or recommend supportive treatments. It's also helpful to read the labels on over-the-counter products and ask your pharmacist about potential side effects related to dry eyes. Staying informed helps you make better decisions and manage your eye health more effectively. Chapter 17: Emotional impact of dry eyes. Living with dry eyes can affect more than just your vision. It can cause frustration, fatigue, and even anxiety about daily tasks like driving or reading. Constant discomfort can make it hard to concentrate and reduce your enjoyment of hobbies and social activities. That's why addressing dry eyes is not just a physical issue, but an emotional one too. By taking control through nutrition and healthy habits, you can improve your quality of life and regain confidence in your daily routine. Simple changes can lead to big improvements in both comfort and peace of mind. Chapter 18: Sharing knowledge and helping others. If you've learned how to manage your dry eyes naturally, consider sharing your experience with others. Friends or family members may be facing similar issues and not know where to start. Sharing tips, recipes, or simple reminders about hydration and eye care can make a big difference in someone else's life. Community support, whether through online forums or local wellness groups, can also provide encouragement and new ideas. Helping others not only reinforces your own habits, but creates a positive cycle of wellness for everyone. Chapter 19: Staying motivated on your eye health journey. Like any lifestyle change, it's easy to start strong and lose momentum over time. To stay motivated, set small, achievable goals. This could be trying a new eye-friendly recipe each week, tracking your water intake, or scheduling regular breaks from screen time. Celebrate small wins, like noticing less dryness or reduced eye irritation. Keep learning and exploring new foods and habits that support your well-being. Staying curious and positive helps you maintain long-term success. Chapter 20: A lifelong commitment to eye health. Eye health is a lifelong journey. While dry eyes may be more common after 60, the steps you take now can help preserve your vision for years to come. Eating nourishing foods, staying hydrated, protecting your eyes from harsh environments, and being mindful of medications are all part of a smart, holistic approach to care. The earlier you start making these changes, the better your results will be. but it's never too late to begin. Every meal, every glass of water, and every mindful blink is a step toward healthier eyes and more comfortable life. With dedication and awareness, you can overcome dry eyes and continue to see the world with clarity and joy. Final thought. Taking care of your eyes after 60 is not just about reacting to discomfort. It's about being proactive, informed, and consistent. Your eyes are windows to the world and deserve your attention and care. By choosing nourishing foods, staying hydrated, protecting your eyes from dryness, and understanding how lifestyle and medication impact your vision, you are investing in your long-term comfort and independence. Small, mindful steps, taken each day, can lead to lasting improvements. Let this journey toward healthier eyes be a gentle reminder that aging does not mean decline, but rather an opportunity to thrive with wisdom, care, and clarity. If you'd like me to insert this into the document or adjust the tone, just let me know. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.